The market gives us a head fake before reversing lower. Is it time for the bulls to worry? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. So the market gave us a fake out breakout, causing us to close a losing trade and leaving many wondering if the bull market is over or even strong enough to continue higher. We'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new to the show, guys, welcome to the show. My name is Jacob Gabbard. This is Invest with Jacob. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so the market kind of bamboozled us today as it set up a structure that was hitting target after target and was looking to go long to hit our 4,200 target. However, after the futures traded sharp through most of the night, they gave back most of their gains before the open, and then the market drifted sideways before crashing down at the close. So this is leaving a lot of people scratching their heads, wondering if the bull move is coming back, if this is the top. Lots of different questions out there. And I will admit the market is very murky right now from a micro standpoint. And that's the issue we're looking at right now. A lot of people like to look at the market on their 1 minute chart, their 5 minute chart, their 1 hour chart, their 4 hour chart, whatever it is, and try to break down what the market's doing as a whole. These are just small increments of how the market works. The most important thing to do when these times get cloudy is to understand the overall market picture and which way it's heading. And to do that, we have to zoom out. When you're caught up in the day-to-day, minute-to-minute trading of the market, it can sometimes get overwhelming to find the path and understand who's in charge. So with that, I want to give you a nugget from a book I just recommended to my man Victor called Elliott Wave Principle, and it's by Prechter and Frost, and they say, there are times when the market seems murky and you don't, even after a detailed analysis, you don't know what to do. At those times, you need to let the market resolve itself, and as it does, a clear path will present itself. So with that in mind, guys, we are going to let the market resolve itself. Right now is not a great time to be trading with all of the whipsaw action where in the last week and a half to 2 weeks, we've seen 50-point moves up and down, not following any particular pattern and kind of overlapping all over the place. So it's a dangerous environment to trade in, as we saw today. It can reverse quickly on you. And we want to make sure that the next trade we enter has a clear path forward. We thought we had that today, and sometimes that happens, but clearly we didn't, and now it's time to reassess. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the daily SPX chart, and the reason we're showing the daily is I want you to see the overall market, not just what we've been trading in for the last week and a half or so. And what we can see is the channel is intact, it is in a strong uptrend, and we are bullish. We are overall bullish in this market for a while. What you can see up here is this consolidation over the last few weeks is not uncommon, and it has happened here and here. And as we move down through here, we can see several points of consolidation. And it's not unreasonable to think that a market that's moving up this quickly needs to consolidate, take a breath, and regroup before it continues its bullish run. And that's why we're going to take a step back until this consolidation period ends, because we want to get you into more predictable setups and better, more successful trades. Now the great news is, through this whipsaw, we've been profitable. So imagine how profitable we can be once we get to a stable trading environment. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you want to know when we trade and where we trade and when we put out buy and sell alerts, join my Facebook group. There's a link in the description down below. The only requirements to join are that you subscribe to this video, so hit that subscribe button, and you like my Facebook page. And we'll get you in that Facebook group where you can join our Slack channel and you'll get daily market updates on what the market is doing and buy and sell alerts. Okay, guys, so the big takeaway today is we're going to step back, take a breather, let the market resolve itself, and find a winning trade setup. There are several paths the market could take from here, so rather than confuse you with a bunch of different possibilities, we're going to let the market prove to us which possibility it's going to take, create a stable trading environment, and go from there. All right, guys, that is the update for today. Happy trading, and we will talk tomorrow.